Seafood gadgets? Are they actually useful or just gimmicks? Today, I'm testing 5 seafood kitchen tools to see if they're worth your money. Stick around for some surprising results. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're putting 5 seafood kitchen gadgets to the test, rating their effectiveness, usability, and whether they actually make cooking seafood easier. Let's get started. First up, the fish skinner. It's supposed to remove fish skin quickly and cleanly, but in our test, it struggled to grip the skin and often mangled the fish. Effectiveness? 1 star out of 5. A regular knife works better. Not worth the hype. Next, the Clam Shucker. It's designed to help pry open clams with less effort, but it was wobbly, flimsy, and struggled with smaller clams. Effectiveness? 2 stars out of 5. It works, but honestly, a clam knife is simpler, not a must-have. Now let's talk about the lobster shears. These are supposed to easily cut through lobster shells, and they did just that. Sharp, precise, and much easier than cracking shells manually. Effectiveness? A perfect 5 out of 5. A game changer for seafood lovers. Definitely worth it. Up next, the tuna press. It's meant to squeeze out water or oil from canned tuna, but there was no real advantage over using the can's lid. Effectiveness? 1 star out of 5. Completely unnecessary. Skip this one. Finally, the oyster shucker. It helps safely open oysters. The knife worked well, but the holder was unstable. Effectiveness? 3 stars out of 5. The knife is great, but a towel works just as well. Get the knife, skip the holder. Now you know which seafood gadgets are worth it. Which one would you actually buy? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen gadget reviews. Want to see more kitchen tool tests? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert reviews and cooking hacks.